Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at resistors and circuits. So we have a circuit here. We have a 17-volt battery, and we have three resistors. And these resistors are in both series and parallel. So you'll notice these guys right here are in parallel with each other. Because it splits, and we have more than one pathway for each for the electricity to travel down. And we have this one, which is in series with this big one. So you can see all the electricity has to pass through that 1 ohm resistor before it is split off and goes into the 4 ohm and the 6 ohm resistor. So let's do this. So we're going to focus on the 4 and the 6 ohm series, 4 and 6 ohm circuit that's in parallel. So we're going to focus on this one first. So let's do that right here. So to find the total resistance of two resistors in parallel, we need to use this equation with the fractions. And from here, I need a common denominator to add these. The common denominator is 12, so I'm going to multiply that one times 3 and this one times 2. So my equation becomes 1 over r equals 3/12 plus 2/12, which equals 5/12. So this 5/12 is 1 over r. But I don't want 1 over r. I want r. So in order to find r, I need to take the reciprocal, and so I take the reciprocal of my answer, and so r is 12/5. So 12/5, that is the resistance of this big yellow thing I just circled, this parallel circuit. So really, if I take my eraser out, I can erase this whole circuit, because I just added those two together. And if I redrew it, I added those two in parallel together, and I got 12/5. So really, I have this now. And you can see these two are in series. So I can just straight up add them. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. So let's do it right here. So my total R is going to be 1 plus 12/5. I'm going to get a common denominator again. So I get 5 out of 5. Oh. 5 out of 5 plus 12/5, which equals 17/5. So 17/5 is my resistance. And if I look back up at the top, you can see I have a voltage. The voltage is 17 volts. So really, this is my resistance. And I have a voltage of 17 volts. So from here, I'm going to look at two equations. The first one is going to be V equals IR. So I'm going to use V equals IR. I have V is 17 volts. I is what I'm trying to find. And R is 17 fifths. I'm going to solve for I by multiplying both sides by 5/17. And you can see the right side, we're going to cancel everything and just get I. And on the left side, the 17s cancel, and I just get 5 amps. Get a little bit of room here. 5 amps equals I. Great. But the question also asks me to find the power. So to find the power, I'm going to use IV. And so power equals I, which is 5. I just found that. And V was 17. So 17 times 5 is 85 watts. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video.